Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, do well to follow me, click on the notification button and stay tuned to this video. On this video, we want to talk about how to invest your money. So what are the 5 or 10 investments you can do or to start with in Nigeria? 10 investments you can start in Nigeria. 10 investments you can start in Nigeria. Number one is mini importation. Mini importation simply means buying from China to Aba market here in Nigeria. You can start looking inward to mini importations. If you watch this video to the end, you are going to see a lot of ways you can invest your money in Nigeria. So number one, we just mentioned mini importations. If you want me to do more video, more enlightenment on this mini importation, you can put it in the comment section. Number two is POS business. POS business is a lucrative business in a very popular area. POS business is a lucrative business. So I don't want to edit this video. So you can start POS business. That's number two. Number three, like I said, I'm going to mention 10 investments you can start in Nigeria. Number one is mini importation. Number two is POS business. Number three is Agric production, like you are trying to be of herbs in reselling some Agric products in terms of rice, beans, gari. These are the things that is, when it comes to food, people don't usually take note of this. So these are lucrative business you can start doing. Then another thing there is laundry service. Laundry service, a lot of people don't have people that will help them to iron their clothes, help them to do a lot of certain things. You can also engage in doing that and you'll be earning from it. Then another thing is selling used clothes. You can start okrika business, for instance, buying in bale in Lagos. You can start doing such things too as well. Then we have digital products. That is number 6. Digital products selling, like selling of ebooks, course online. As a teacher, you can brand yourself to that point of selling your lesson notes, selling ebooks and the rest. So this can pave way to you. The last one is the biggest one, so you have to watch this video to the end. You have to watch this video to the end. The last one is the biggest one. Then number 7 is transportation business. Like it can be in form of bike. It may not be the one that will drive it. You can give it to someone to help you out to run it and all that. Do you know that a lot of people make money on this transportation business? So you can start that too. With time, you see yourself living fine. Then number 8 is poultry or fishing business. Yes, poultry or fishing business is a lucrative business. You can also be looking inward to like farming. With 500,000 you can start, or 2 million thereabout. So it's also a lucrative business to start. Yes, poultry or fishing business is also a lucrative business to start. Then number 10. So number 10 is school business. Now, this is the areas that people are getting it wrong. When it comes to school business, we are not talking about only the physical school. As a teacher, you can also have your online school, like online school in terms of your English. As an English teacher, you can be on online form. Are you getting my point? So you can start online teaching, you can start your school, business, a lucrative business. Someone said that as far as people are still giving birth on health, are you getting my point? School never stop. So you can start running, in that area of school business. It's a lucrative business. As far as people are still giving birth on health, school business will still continue to run. Education remain paramount. Are you getting my point? And learning is key. So you can start, if you don't have the capacity, to own a physical building for school, You get my point. You can utilize your online and start looking in what to do that, like e-home tutors. You have a skills, you can lecture people online, using this platform as the YouTube. For instance, you can use it. So if this video sounds so cool, don't forget to click on the notification button and also subscribe to this channel. You can start your e-fishing tutor. You can also start your, just brand yourself online tutors on different area, or e-school, that is where your skills can be located. And you come to this channel, for instance, you can build yourself on this youtube channel. I remember when I started with only 0 subscriber, and here now we have a lot of subscriber on this channel. So these are the things that you need to be looking inward to do, build yourself to that point that you showcase yourself to the global world. So these are what school business can help you to do. Don't forget that we have the 2 types of school business. Number 1 is we have this physical school business, and we have the online school business. I will stop here because I don't want this video to be long. So if this sounds so cool, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also stay tuned to this channel. See you. Boom.